Hey guys, it's me, Kylie. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. Today's video is going to be kind of a mix-up, a mesh-up, if you will, little chit-chat, and then I have a couple things I want to share with you. Just a few things I've picked up recently, something I won in a giveaway, and also I was just going to share with you what's in my beautiful mini pochette back here, just because I have it set up a little differently, and I love watching those kind of videos, so I thought it would be fun to share it with you. First up, if you haven't already subscribed and you like this video, I would love it if you'd hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell next to it so you get updated when I put out a new video. I will be having a giveaway here shortly. I'm almost to 900 subscribers, which is amazing, beyond anything I could have ever thought my little channel would get. So if and when, I'm gonna say when because I want to put that good vibe out there, but when I hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, I will be doing a luxury giveaway. It will be probably like a small leather good. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So these two Dior mascaras that I picked up recently, one is the Dior Addict It Lash. Love this, have been using this daily. And then I also picked up Dior Show. They're totally different. This is actually not one that I would normally get because it has the plastic applicator. You can see it is plastic, but I actually ended up really liking it. And I've tried those kind of applicators before, wands, whatever you want to call it, and I really wasn't thrilled with the end result, but I really do like this. And then I had gotten the Dior Show too. I kind of wanted to see which one was better. I'm looking for a new mascara. I have several that I really like, but I'm just looking for that one showstopper that does everything I want. So I'll be interested to see if you guys can tell any different today. I have such short eyebrows, it's really, such short eyelashes that it's really hard to tell, but I will come in a little bit. These really lengthen, but they don't give me much volume. That would be this Dior Show, which has a different kind of wand, which this is normally my favorite wand. The big bristles, nice and thick, but it just doesn't give me the volume. I just wanted to throw that out there. If you guys are interested, I can do a side-by-side, one with this one with this one, and show you what they look like. But I just want to throw that out there because I'm not really thrilled with either. They do okay. They're just not like great. So if you're looking for mascara, maybe pass those up. So quickly, I just wanted to show you what I have in my mini pochette. This is how I have been carrying it lately. I've been traveling a lot for work and I really needed something that fits everything and is on the go. So here's how I have it stuffed right now. I have my Chanel card holder here, a lippy here, and the lipstick I am currently carrying is 804 Rose Knife. I don't know how it's pronounced, but it's by Chanel. And this is everything. I love this. It's such a pretty pink in the tube, and on your lips it's very nude, very neutral, but with a little hint of pink. Then if you look down inside, I have just a little thing of Tylenol. I think I might have showed this in one of my last videos, but I'm not sure, so I'll share it again. And let me make sure my cards are in here, not showing any of my personal information. And then I just have my card holder here, my Chanel card holder with my necessities in it, like my credit cards, debit cards, ID, medical insurance, that kind of stuff. It fits quite a bit for being so small, and I have always been a large wallet girl, and now I have really pared down to just that. And sometimes, like, my overflow cards are in my zippy card, my zippy coin purse from Chanel, which I'll show you. I have videos on that if you guys are interested, haven't seen it. So the last thing I have down in here is just, there it is, empty, but it fits so much. I also have my Louis Vuitton clay, which has my house key and a little grocery pass, and then my fob for my car. And also it looks like there is a coupon in here. I'll take that out because I forgot about that. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you. This thing fits so much. I'm actually considering getting it in all 3 canvases because I love it so much, and there are so many days when I just grab this and nothing else, or grab this and throw this into my work bag, you know, and just take it with me like that. So I have to tell you guys, I am trying a new hairstyle out. It's not really a hairstyle because I just parted it down the middle. I never wear it like this, but I just see so many girls with their hair so cute like this, but I didn't curl it or anything today, so it's just like stick straight. But Leave me a comment down below if you think this is a good look or if I should go back to my normal side part. But I kind of like it and I kind of hate it, so I can't decide. You guys let me know. So the next thing I wanted to share is something I picked up with an order I made to Express. I love checking out their home and their accessories page that has like home decor / fun stuff in it. So let me show you what I grabbed. This is super cute. I hope you guys are going to be able to see it. There's such a glare today. It's a water bottle and it says, "Let's be unicorns." It is so cute. Hopefully you can see that. And then the top is like a diamond. I absolutely love this. I think it's so adorable. And I try to take water with me everywhere because I'm on the road so much now. I need to stay hydrated. So the next item I wanted to share is something that I actually won from one of my dear friends here on YouTube, Dr. Cindy Lou. If you haven't checked out her channel, go check it out. She has an amazing channel. She has tons of luxury goods and she did a giveaway and I won a piece of the giveaway. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. Came in this box. And then how adorable is this? It came in the little Louis Vuitton pull-out box. And what I won was a little package of Louis Vuitton perfumes. So super cute. I've actually already decided, and I talked with her, that I am going to include these as a runner-up gift in my giveaway because I think they're so adorable and I just want to pass these along to someone else who might be super interested in them. Not that I'm not. I totally love everything Louis Vuitton, as you all well know, but I just think it's fun as a runner-up prize. So I am including this. It'll come in the box. It'll come with the drawstring bag and the 2 samples of perfume. And the last thing I wanted to share is just something, a couple things I picked up from Macy's. So let's dig into this bag. It came all wrapped up like this. Bubble wrap, which my kids are going to love. Came with an extra 20% off, which is always nice. And then what I ordered was a couple of Dior lips. I'm so obsessed with lips right now. If you guys have watched my channel, if you've seen any of my recent videos, I have been obsessing over lip gloss, lipstick, everything. So this is the Dior Addict lipstick in 316 Incognito. It comes in this gorgeous packaging and then literally dying. Look at how beautiful this packaging is. Absolutely gorgeous. It says Dior right there. Do I have it upside down? Yes. It says Dior right there. And this is just like silver mirrored beautifulness. Now this is magnetic, which I think is so luxe and gorgeous. And then here's the color, which I'm hoping is going to be a nice beigey color for me. I'm going to try it on really quick and we'll see how it looks. So here it is alone on my lips, Incognito from Dior. I don't know. I'm going to have to see how it looks in the light. It's a very just like a nude for me, which I think is pretty, maybe especially layered with something or with some lip liner. I don't know. I have to go see it in the real light before I make a decision. Let me know what you guys think, if it's too light or if it looks good. Let me know in the comments. Let's see what else I got. So the other one I picked up, everyone has except me, so I had to grab it. It is the Dior Addict Lip Glow. Again, just stunning packaging. Here it is, so cute. Do I have it upside down again? I don't know what's wrong with me. Dior right there, and then on the other side it says Lip Glow. This one is not magnetic, it's just a clip-in. And then it's just a beautiful nudie pink lip balm. And I would put it on, but I don't want to put it on over this color and get it all dirty. So yeah, grab that too, which I'm excited to have this. I have this in the color, I think it's 001, which is, I don't know what color it is. It's 001, it's just like the lightest pink, I think. They do have it in an ultra pink, which I want to get as well. But yeah, I'm just excited to have this and this. I need like 10 more of these. These are gorgeous. So I might go up a color. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If this is too light on me, does it wash me out or does it look good? What do you think? Alright guys, I think that's all I had for today. Thanks so much for sticking with me. And like I said, if you like the video, please subscribe. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And I will see you guys at the next video. This is Kylie. Bye.